If you're a seller of a property and you're going to make use of an estate agent, it's very important to have your mandate in writing. There are three different types of mandates. There's a sole and exclusive mandate, and a sole mandate, and then an open mandate. Sole and exclusive is basically where you say to an agent, you've got the right to sell my property, but even if you then end up selling your property to your brother that the agent had no connection with or no dealing, they will still get their commission. That's sole and exclusive. Sole mandate is where only that one particular agent can sell your property, and open mandate is where various agents can go and sell your property. It is advisable to have your mandate in writing with an agent. Sit and go through the process of reading the mandate, having it in writing. It's going to take half an hour or so, and that just negates any disputes that may occur at a later stage. It's very difficult to prove verbal terms of a mandate or an agreement. So to have it in writing, I mean, you're dealing with your biggest asset. It really shouldn't be that big of a mission. So in the mandate, the real important terms of the agreement between the agent and the seller will be in the mandate, specifically relating to commission, the period of the mandate, the duration of the mandate, what the obligations and duties of the agent will be in terms of that mandate, and also then the obligations and duties of the seller. The agent's got to market the property, they've got to advertise it, they've got to have a marketing plan or strategy in place, and the seller, for that matter, they've got to accept offers that fall within the parameters of the selling price as agreed in the mandate. They've got to at least provide the agent with some backup to be able to open the property if they want to bring prospective buyers to the property and play their role. So that's very important to have that mandate and have it in writing. As I say, because also if there's been scenarios where mandates have been concluded between an agent and a seller, and the issue relating to commission was never really finalized and discussed, and they said, oh well, we'll fill it in at a later stage. That just sets it up for disaster where other parties can lose out. So it really is important to have all the most important terms in writing in a mandate and signed by the agent and the seller.